I born on your egg. Ogo market. You will eat overfeeding. My son, you already have money. There's something I want to give to you. I want to give you this thing. When you put it in your cupboard.
Papa, well done, sir. Well done, sir.
70 years old man.
When you put it in your cupboard, it will multiply your money. But I need to fortify you. Let me drop it here. Because once you pick it up, it's progress, it's joy, it's prosperity. After you, my son. After you!
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
I dropped something here tactically. And somebody tactically remove it. My son, did you remove anything from here?
No, Baba.
My son, go and wait for me. Whoever that have carried this thing, I see calamity everywhere. I see poverty, frustration. Except the person is in the premises.
Photo. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
If the person is still in the premises, the person should not drop it.
Scoop Petenya.
If the person drop it, the person should not pick it up. If the person have pick it up, the person should not bring it for me to see.
Are you playing?